Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a hot deal that you won't want to miss. If you're in the market for a fast, reliable SSD to level up your PC or gaming setup, then stick around because the Samsung 990 EVO Plus SSD is on sale right now, and we've got the details on why this is the perfect time to upgrade your storage. The Samsung 990 EVO Plus is a top-tier NVMe SSD with lightning-fast performance. It supports PCIe 4.0 and 5.0, delivering read speeds up to 7,250 MB per s and write speeds up to 6,300 MB per s. For Labor Day, the 1 TB model is just $65. That's 38% off. Need more space? The 2 TB is $120 and the 4 TB is $240. For gamers, this means near instant load times and smoother gameplay. Content creators will love the fast file handling for 4K editing. Just note, it's not PlayStation 5 compatible as it doesn't include a heatsink. Don't wait too long. This Labor Day sale is ending soon, and these discounts won't last forever.